Soukup here, founder of InSPAration Management. I am here with another question of the week. We have to make my little sound. Isn't this so much fun? You gotta have fun, right? Anyway, this week's question came to us from Stephanie from California. So Stephanie said, I purchased your webinar program, how to host and create webinars. I loved it. I did my first webinar last week and generated a few $1,000s. So needless to say, I'm super excited and I want to keep doing them. Good for you, Stephanie. I'm so proud of you. And my question is, do you have someone that can review my presentation and give me some feedback on my offers to make sure that I am doing everything properly? You are a smart girl, Stephanie, because you're asking for help. Even though you already made thousands of dollars with your first webinar, now you even want to do better. So you're my kind of client. Thank you so much for your question. And yes, of course, we can look at your presentation. There are ways for us to work with you. You can always do private coaching sessions where you can come to us with whatever you want us to review or assess or give you feedback on or give you directions on. You're more than welcome. All you have to do is go to the shop on InSPArationManagement.com, look up private coaching, and you'll be able to purchase a private coaching call a la carte and be able to get the help that you need. Now, of course, if you're a mastermind member, like all of our members, we do all sorts of things for you as a member, and things like that, of course, will not have a charge on it. So I would love to help you, Stephanie. Again, congratulations on purchasing that program. It's brand new. And so many people have had the same results as you. So of course, it makes us super happy to provide you with that kind of information and strategies to help you generate more revenue. And since you purchased that one, I was wondering if you already have the We Dare system, so you can teach your team how to actually generate revenue online. So if you don't have that one, you really should. Those are the two. Actually, we did 3 brand new programs during the coronavirus. One is the We Dare system for online consultations. One was the webinars, the one that you purchased. And then we have the membership one on how to create a profitable membership program so you can have that nice reoccurring revenue model. So go to the shop, Stephanie, and I would love to see the information you're coming up with and help give you advice. And let us know how we can help. Great, thank you so much for your question. If you too have a question, make sure you write to Dori at InSPArationManagement.com and we will answer your question too. Until next time, stay inspired.